What if the most beautiful luxury isn't marble or gold, but waking up surrounded by light, fresh air, and the quiet beauty of nature? Today, we're stepping inside a remarkable family home where every room has been thoughtfully shaped by the landscape outside. This isn't just a house tour. It's an invitation to discover how timeless design and natural living can transform the way we feel every single day. The journey begins with a warm exterior framed by native trees, layered stone pathways, and soft grasses swaying gently in the breeze. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoors and outdoors, allowing sunlight to become part of the architecture itself. A simple lesson appears immediately. When natural light becomes the main design feature, neutral materials feel richer, rooms appear larger, and every arrival feels calm and inviting. Step into the heart of the home, where warm oak flooring, linen textures, and earthy colors create an atmosphere that feels effortlessly comforting. Large sliding glass doors invite the garden inside, filling the room with changing light throughout the day. Instead of overcrowding the space, carefully selected furniture allows conversation, movement, and beautiful outdoor views to become the true centerpiece of everyday family life. The kitchen tells a quieter story of togetherness. Natural stone countertops, handcrafted wood cabinetry, and soft pendant lighting create a space where every meal feels meaningful. Open shelving decorated with pottery and greenery adds personality without creating clutter. One timeless decorating principle shines here. Combining natural textures with functional organization creates a kitchen that feels warm, elegant, and wonderfully lived in. As we move into the private spaces, the atmosphere becomes even more peaceful. Gentle earth tones, breathable cotton fabrics, and carefully framed garden views encourage true relaxation. Every bedroom embraces simplicity rather than excess, allowing natural materials to speak for themselves. Layering soft textiles, warm wood, and indirect lighting creates a restful sanctuary that supports both comfort and emotional well-being every evening. Finally, we arrive in the backyard, where architecture gracefully gives way to nature. A wooden deck, quiet seating areas, native plants, and the soothing sound of water create an outdoor retreat that feels like a private escape. Rather than treating the garden as separate, this family designed it as another living room, reminding us that thoughtful landscaping expands not only our homes but also our daily happiness. Perhaps the greatest lesson from this home isn't found in its materials or furniture, but in how every space encourages slower mornings, meaningful conversations, and a deeper connection with nature. Beautiful design is never only about appearance. It shapes the way we live, rest, and create memories together. If this home inspired you, welcome to LUMACASA Studio. Subscribe for more unforgettable house tours and timeless design ideas that bring beauty, comfort, and nature into everyday living.